Today we're gonna talk winter camping and the kind of gear that you need to stay warm and comfortable at all times.
Welcome to my shed. Come in.
So the essential piece to stay warm in a winter camping is the puffer jacket. You need a big one, as big as possible, I would say, as much as you can carry it, of course. There are different sizes of down jackets. Like this would be the medium thickness down jacket, and this, the Him suit, is basically the bomb for Himalayan camping. So if you don't have such a huge down jacket, I always like to have this at the bottom of my backpack, which is a down vest, which really does the trick. It heats the most important part of your body, and that's a vital item. If it's really cold, I really recommend down pants. They're a lifesaver, and once again you chuck them on. They've got zippers on the side, so they're easy to put over your ski gear. The down pants pack really well, so you see, like, if you compress them even more, they're not going to take much space into your bag, and that will make a big difference in your camp. Another version of it is the kind of fleece pants, but they take a lot more volume, so might not be as easy to take. And also you're gonna really need some small gloves, and if they're dry, that's much better. A pair of down booties really makes a big difference. Those ones are really packable, but you're not gonna be able to walk in the snow. But if you need to walk in the snow, if it's a longer term camp where you're gonna have to work a lot around, down booties with soles are gonna be the bomb. I actually wear this every day in winter. They're the bomb anyways. And if you don't have down booties, a good old pair of woolen socks will do the trick really well. Once again, they're a bit heavier, a bit less packable, but you know, it's good old stuff. It works. So it's important to know that there are a bit two versions of winter camping. For example, if you go on an expedition somewhere in Alaska and you get dropped by maybe some sleds or something like this, then you're not gonna have to worry so much about the weight. And then there's the other option where you have to carry all your weight, so then you're gonna have to be super careful about the items that you pick so that you're gonna be as light as possible. Being dry in winter camping is super important. Might not always be possible. You might come from a big tour and be still wet, but you're gonna have to be careful at not chucking straight away all your puffer, everything, while you're still being active around the camp and getting everything set up, because otherwise you're gonna just bring more moisture. So dry is the secret to be warm. And voila, winter camping is not rocket science, and if you have the right gear, it's gonna be a million times more enjoyable. And yeah, don't be scared. Go out there, go winter camping, because it's so much fun.